Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Heather, registered dietitian from Shoprite of Little Falls. I am so excited because today we are going to be reading a story because this year the theme is Imagine Your Story for the library. So I wanted to read to you a book and we'll make a little snack after it. So the book that we're going to read together today is Goldilocks and the Three Bears. So you might be familiar with this story, so let's read along. Once upon a time, Goldilocks was playing in the woods near her home. As she skipped along the pebbly path, her golden locks bouncing, Goldilocks suddenly stopped and sniffed the air. A yummy smell was coming from the middle of the woods. Rumble, rumble. As her tummy grumbled, Goldilocks followed the delicious smell. She soon found herself in front of a little house. I wonder who lives here, she said. Let's see what Goldilocks does. Goldilocks knocked loudly on the front door. Knock, knock, knock. But on the last knock, the door swung open. There was no one home. Goldilocks saw 3 bowls of porridge on the kitchen table. I'm sure no one will mind if I have a little taste of this porridge, she told herself. Goldilocks ate a spoonful of porridge from the biggest bowl. Yuck, she cried. This porridge is much too cold. Goldilocks tried the medium-sized bowl. Ouch, she gasped. This porridge is much too hot. Finally, Goldilocks took a little mouthful from the smallest bowl. She sighed. This porridge is perfect. She ate it all up. Then Goldilocks went into the living room. For a rest, she saw a big chair, a medium-sized chair, and a tiny little chair. Goldilocks climbed onto the biggest chair. This chair is too big, she said. Next, Goldilocks clambered onto the medium-sized chair. The cushions were very squishy. This chair is too soft, she cried. Then Goldilocks tried the tiny chair. This chair is perfect, beamed Goldilocks. She was just getting comfortable when, crack, the chair broke into pieces. Oh no, Goldilocks gasped. Perhaps I should lie down instead. Upstairs, Goldilocks found a big bed, a medium-sized bed, and a tiny little bed. When she jumped on the big bed, it was too hard. The medium-sized bed was too soft for bouncing, and the little bed was perfect, Goldilocks sighed happily, and the little girl crawled under the covers and fell fast asleep. Meanwhile, 3 hungry bears returned to the little house. They had been for a walk while their hot porridge cooled down, but the door was already open, and there were muddy footprints in the hall. Someone's been eating my porridge, roared Daddy Bear. Roar! Someone's been eating my porridge too, growled Mama Bear. Look, squeaked Baby Bear, my porridge has all gone. Uh-oh. The 3 bears went into the living room. Someone's been sitting in my chair, roared Daddy Bear. Someone's been sitting in my chair too, growled Mama Bear. Someone's been sitting in my chair, squeaked Baby Bear, and they've broken it. Suddenly, the 3 bears heard a noise coming from upstairs. Someone's been sleeping in my bed, roared Daddy Bear as he stepped into the bedroom. Someone's been sleeping in my bed too, growled Mama Bear, straightening the cover. Someone's been sleeping in my bed, squeaked Baby Bear, and she's still there. Goldilocks woke up with a start and screamed. The 3 bears watched in surprise as she ran off through the forest as fast as her little legs would carry her. And guess what? The 3 bears never saw Goldilocks again. The end. So that's our book, our Goldilocks and the 3 Bears. So today we are going to make a breakfast for Goldilocks and the 3 Bears. And we are going to actually make Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So the things that you are going to need, I'll leave our book here. The things that you're going to need are either pancakes or waffles. These are Kodiak cakes, frozen power flapjacks. You could also use their waffles too. So there comes 3 in a pack, which is perfect for our Goldilocks and the 3 bears. You are going to need some peanut butter or sunflower seed butter. This one is Teddy's. Teddy's for our teddy bears, right? Our 3 bears for the book. So this is our peanut butter we'll be using today. We also need 3 banana slices and 3 blueberries as well. And more if you are going to make Mama and Papa Bear too. So these are 3 slices and 3 blueberries per bear that you need, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to heat up your waffle or your pancake. So I heated up our pancake here. And the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to add a little bit of peanut butter onto our waffle. So we're just going to add about a tablespoon. And what we're going to do is we're just going to smooth it all around. All the nooks and crannies. Just keep smoothing it around. Okay. The next thing that we're going to add is 2 banana slices, and we're going to put them right on top here as the ears. So the first banana slice, 1. And we'll put the second one on, 2. And then we're going to add a third one because this is going to be the bear's nose, right there. Okay. Next, you're going to do 2 blueberries for your eyes. So we're going to put 1 here, just like that. And we're going to put the other one right next to it, just like that. Okay. And then we're going to add a little bit of peanut butter right on top. So that way our last blueberry sticks right on top. So we're going to get this last blueberry and stick it. And there you have it. This is our little baby bear that we have with 3 ingredients, our Kodiak cake flapjacks, which are in the frozen section. We have 3 slices of banana, 2 for the ears and 1 for the nose. We have 2 big blueberries for the eyes, and we add a little bit of peanut butter and a blueberry right on top for the nose. So as you can see, it's really fun and easy to make our bears. And then what you can do, because there's 3 in a pack, again, 3 bears, we can make Mama and Papa Bear, and then we can make Baby Bear. So we have our 3 little bears. So I hope you had fun making our fun and delicious breakfast. I would love to see pictures of all of your bear creations and Goldilocks. Maybe you can even do an overnight porridge. I'd love to see them. I hope that you guys are all doing well. Miss Heather misses you so, so much. Have a great rest of the summer, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.